Hey guys, if you want to add scrolling text on Wondershare Filmora, then you can follow this video. So watch this video till the end so you won't mistake any important steps. First, you just need to open Wondershare Filmora, then you can simply add or import a video that you want to edit. So you can import a video from your files from here. You just need to simply click on this import button here, or otherwise you can use stock media. For now, I'm just using a stock video from here. So I'm going to set this mark here. The marker is at this section. Now you can simply add any tiles here. So for decoration, I'm going to add a red triangle tile from here, a shape from here. So I'm going to draw it like from here, just like this. Yeah, it's perfect. And I'm going to increase it right now, and let's change the color. So the color is here, so I'm going to use it black as black. Now I'm going to decrease the opacity from here a little, so it will look like a text path from here. So just like this. After adding a text path, you can add a text, but before adding this, make sure that you have expand it to the very end to that video or your expected time. Then after that, you can simply click on tiles here. Then you can add some custom actually text from here, where you can search for let me show you. You can get it from the download section, where you can find only two here, or otherwise you can find some two of here. I have basic one, or you can get some from the AI caption here, or this title template here. From here you will find different types of template that you can use. So from here I'm going to add the basic one here. So I'm going to add the basic text. Now after adding the text here, make sure the text is on the line here. So I'm going to add this text upward to that shape, so it will look properly. So you can use arrow button on your keyboard to adjust this text from here. So you can simply double click on that and click on this text here, so you can select the text from here. That thanks for watching. Our channel, and that's how you can add some texture. You can change the color of the text by click on this, and I'm going to change the font style from here a little. So I'm going to get this font style here. So you can also add some effects on your font if you want. So I am going to add some effects. So that's how I'm going to add a black, and not this actually. So that's how you can change the color of the font here, that more here. So I'm going to add the color, okay, or it could be bluish. So that's how, and you can expand it at the very end of that video. Now when you add a texture, then you can simply change the alignment from here. So I'm going to change it, or I have just accidentally change the alignment. I'm going to fix this. I'm going to place it at the perfect place. Yes, just like this. Now from here, in this here you'll find the position. So you can simply go to the very beginning of the text here. So I'm going to go to the very beginning of the text, and from here you have to add a keyframe here. So you can see the X is 0 and the Y coordinate is this, and X coordinate is this. So I'm going to click on this scale here, or I can get the position here. So now it's asking for login to its account. So I'm going to log into account here. Now continue, and yeah, I'm going to open the Filmora here. So I'm going to add the position here. So that's like, if it asks for the login, so you can just log into Filmora by a single click. just like that. Now adding the position, you can go to your expected duration where you want to add another, the last keyframe. So I'm going to add the keyframe and I'm going to vanish that keyframe, sorry, that not that, yes, just like this, and I'm going to vanish it totally, sorry, just like this, and I'm going to get that text out of the frame. Now I'm going to add another keyframe here, for example in this section. So for that I'm going to go to the text again and add another keyframe, the last keyframe. For that I'm going to add that keyframe, sorry, not that actually, yes, this one, and I'm going to sorry, not that actually. So the text is actually out of the line here. So I'm going to get this text just like this, and I'm going to get that text here, the mid side, and I'm going to just take it to the another side, another edge of the screen, just like this. You just need to scroll it all the way to the, just like this, yeah. Now if I play the video, you can find I have already added a scrolling text on my video, just like this. It is just scroll from the right side to the left side of our video. So it's pretty simple. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.